Good morning, everybody. Welcome in science class. As you know that beta, we have started our new lesson, lesson 11, natural resources and their conservation. Okay, in the previous class, we have already discussed about natural resources and their types. In that class, we have discussed one type, that is inexhaustible resources. Now, in this class, we will discuss exhaustible resources and worksheet 1. Okay, beta. Now, beta, first exhaustible resources. In the previous class, we have already discussed about natural resources and their type. In that class, we have discussed inexhaustible resources, the resources that will not exhaust and that will remain for a very long period of time. That type of resources are called inexhaustible resources, like air, wind, water, etc. Now in this class we will discuss about exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources कौन से होते हैं बेटा? The resources that do not exhaust easily and do not last for a long period of time. ठीक है? We have to use these type of resources very judiciously because they will run out of time if we use carelessly. Okay, these resources take a long time to form. That is why we have to use these resources very carefully. Example are fossil fuels and forest and wildlife. First is fossil fuels. Okay, fossil fuels are exhaustible resources, beta. Plants and animals which were once living beings got buried under the earth. When they died, plant and animals when they died, they got buried under the earth, and due to high pressure and temperature, they got converted into combustible substances, and that is called fossil fuels. Okay, plant and animals got buried under the earth, and due to high temperature and pressure, these plant and animals convert into combustible substance, and that type of substance are called fossil fuels. Example क्या है बेटा? Coal and petroleum. ठीक है, coal and petroleum are the example of fossil fuels. ठीक है, we use coal and petroleum in many things. We use these fuels in running vehicles, in operating machines, in producing electricity. And due to growing population, the consumption of these fuels become very high, highly increased, and it is consumed at the same rate. These fossil fuels, if it is consumed at the same rate, these fossil fuels will exhaust. So these type of fuels produced or form in very long time, and it will take long time to form. Okay, these resources take a long time to form, so that is why we have to use these resources in a limited amount. We use these resources very carefully. Okay, these resources are the example of exhaustible resources. Second example of exhaustible resources are forest and wildlife. Okay, forests are very valuable or most valuable, forests are the rich source of many valuable products. Forests give us wood, food, medicines, timber, fruit, leather, and many more things. Okay, they provide us these type of things. And due to increase in population, these land is needed for cultivation, and most of the forest is cleared and make into cultivated land. And if it is continue to happen to cultivate this land, then in near future we will left with no more forest. Okay, the forests are the habitat of many wildlife also, and due to increase in population, we clear this land and use it, cultivated this land. And if this type of process, if this is continue to happen, then in near future we will be left with no forest. So use these forests very carefully. They are also exhaustible resources, and at some point they will be exhaust if we use continuously. If we cultivate this land continuously, then it will exhaust in future. Worksheet 1. unscramble the words to make meaningful words. You have to unscramble these words. First है बेटा UEERSORC, that is resource. Okay. Now second will be ELITAXEHUSV. क्या बना बेटा ये? exhaustible. तो फर्स्ट क्या आएगा बेटा? फर्स्ट इज resource and second is exhaustible. Okay, now second point. Second है बेटा, write whether each statement is true or false. Anything which has no value is known as resource. That is false. Soil is used for growing crops. Soil is used for growing crops. That is true. Inhaling impure air can cause breathing problem. If we inhale impure air, then it will cause breathing problem. That is true. The addition of unwanted substance to air cause water pollution. If we add unwanted substance in air, that cause water pollution. No, that is false. So first क्या है बेटा आपका? First will be false. Second, soil is used for growing crops. True. Inhaling impure air, that is true. And fourth will be false. Okay. Question number 3. Take the correct answer. Which of the following is not a natural resource? Okay. So A, B, C and D. This is bowl that is made by soil. This is wood block. This is ring that is made by man-made. So put a tick mark in front of ring. Okay. Question number 4. Complete the following by filling in the blanks from the words given below. Air is used for dash. Air is used for breathing. Water is used for dash, drinking. Soil is used for growing crops and metal are used for construction. तो फर्स्ट क्या आएगा बेटा? फोर्थ में फर्स्ट breathing. Air is used for breathing. Water is used for drinking. And third, soil is used for growing crops. And fourth one is metal are used for construction. बेटा fifth, complete the following. Plants and animals. First में क्या आएगा बेटा? Died. Plants and animals died. First. Second, they got buried under the earth. Under the earth. They got buried under the earth. Due to high temperature and high pressure. तो यहाँ क्या आएगा थर्ड में? Temperature and pressure. Okay. Now fourth, got converted to combustible substance. ठीक है, या fossil fuels. And burned fuels they get to get energy. Converted into fossil fuels. And burn these fuels to get energy. The first died, earth, temperature and pressure, fossil fuels and fuels. Okay. Now beta, you have to read page number 121, okay, and worksheet 1. Write and learn worksheet 1 in book. Okay beta, thank you. Have a nice day.